My name is Philip. I've worked at CDI about 11 and a half years, thereabouts. Man, lucked into it. Lucked into that job. Uh, that's family next, and Corey decided to give me a try, and the rest is history. Favorite job? Probably out west, maybe Colorado, Oregon. Yeah, Crater Lake. What did I like about that job? Man, the weather was beautiful. You know, a little bit of rain came back and snowed again. We did the kids force, but all in all, the views were just indescribable. Beautiful. Favorite part about working for CDI is the camaraderie, um, the opportunities of difference. You know, just traveling to I would say exotic places, but you know, little different than Avery County, North Carolina. Um, yeah, all in all, the camaraderie, I think, you know, fellowship and my brethren, my CDI fam. So that's about it.
My name is Josh Kenton. I'm a builder, CDI, do inspecting and training. Worked with CDI for this would be 2.5 years now. So I got this job by I actually answered an ad on Craigslist for Brad and Alex Carey, who used to work for CDI. I had no idea about CDI or never done zip line or aerial park or anything like that. So moved out to the Outer Banks to help Alex build his own course in Corolla. And I stayed out there for about a year. After we built it, I stayed there and actually guided for the first year. Took us about 3 months for the build, and then left somewhere in November or something like that. And then he finally told me about CDI afterwards when I was leaving. And about a year later, I ended up going back home in Danville. And about a year later, I called up Corey, and he was like, "Yeah, we expect your call. Come on down." So, but yeah, after that interview, just started working, and yeah, loving it. Favorite project? That's a toughie. Probably Manahawkin, New Jersey. We had a lot of fun after work. Um, I learned a lot. I learned most of myself that I know now because of that job, because we had so many old builders, experienced builders, and experienced foremen and all that stuff. And favorite part of the job was probably setting poles, because once you set poles and set your girders and you're building up this tower, it's a lot of work. It's hard work, but it happens fast. And you can go to the job site one day with nothing on the job site and then leave that day, 8, 10, 12 hours later and have a whole tower up. So that's a good feeling.